Hello everyone, welcome to our video today. I'm going to go ahead and introduce the new products on my right hand. This is the dry warmers, and we can see they have two sections of the units. So let me give you the overall dimensions and closer back to see the inner side dimensions too. For this unit, the length is about like a 30 and 1 4 inches long. And total depth, it is about like a 29 and 3 4 inches deep. From bottom to top, they are about like a 32 and 3 4 inches tall. And for the bottom layers, from the surface to the edge, it is about like a 10.5 inches tall. So as we can see, the unit have a cutting boards at front. It is about like a 7 inches deep. And they do removable. You can just simple to clean it. And we can take a look closer to see the inner side. For the inner side dimensions, they can fit in about like a 12 and 1 4 inches wide, and about like a 20 inches long. And the depth, it is about like a 7.5 inches tall. We can fit in these pantry sizes. Also, when we're looking the front, the bottoms, we can see they have two small controllers. You can adjust the temperatures. They give you the notice to pull it on, it's turn on, and switching back, it turn off. They do have two small windows. You can check the fire inside. Looking the side of the units, we can see the ETL sanitation stickers and all the cost sheets information, manufacturer informations. And also looking the bottom at the hands, we can see they do have the connections. So the manufacturer give you a regulator for the attachments. And also the manual books is showing you they can do the liquid propanes and natural gas for both way and adjust the connector case right here. So that's what be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us.